Hi all, it's Renee. Sorry I've been gone for so long. We moved. If you didn't see that video previously, we are now in Tennessee and still have a lot of boxes to go through, but I think I found the majority of my crafting stuff. So I wanted to get caught up a little bit. I'm a little bit behind, which I think all of us scrapbookers always say that. We're always behind. So what I wanted to show you today is putting together the Cut Above layout kit for November's Craft with Heart subscription. I'll be back shortly with the December one, and then any day now I'm expecting my next 4-month shipment, so I'll do a walkthrough for you like I did before. I am in a new space, so my lighting is going to be a little different, so do let me know if the lighting is problematic for you. I know I have a few shadows. I'll work on those. But a little bit about the Craft with Heart subscription service. It is from close to my heart, and what you get is you get a pre-cut, everything is pre-cut for you. You have die cuts, you have stickers, you have everything you need except for adhesive to put this entire layout together, and you get one layout there, and then you also get a second layout. So you get 4 pages total, 2 full layouts per month. And you have several choices with your subscription. You can either do a monthly subscription, which comes out to $22.90 a month. You can do a 4-month subscription, which comes out to $69.55, including shipping. And then you have the 12-month subscription, where you will get a package every 4 months. There is no shipping. The shipping is free on that, and it comes to $172.32. Now that is actually your biggest savings, and also when you do a full year, you get codes from Persnickety Prints. And mine got a little scratched up. You get 30 free prints in each one of your 4-month packages, so that's 90 free prints a year. And this is my code, so I'm not going to flip it over, but you can get your pictures as well. So with that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I am using all my normal materials that I normally use when I'm doing one of these projects. I have already taken apart all of my die cuts and separated my stickers. So this is what we have. You always get your placeholders for your photos, of course. All of your pre-cut everything. Now what I do, these all of the die cuts come on a sheet, and I go ahead and do those beforehand. And what I do is I just write on the back which layout it goes with. You probably can't see that very well. It's just number 1. And I do that on all of my die cut pieces just so I don't get them confused. And then your stickers will also tell you which layout your stickers go to. So with that, I'm going to work on this first layout called Be Merry. And then the second layout is a Merry Christmas on a really pretty chalkboard-like background. And what I'm going to do for you, because I'm kind of a slow crafter, so I'm just going to speed this up a little bit for you and find you some pretty music to listen to. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And now they're done. This was actually a very quick kit. So I really like how this one came out. I do feel like these green leaves kind of get lost in the background. So I think what I might do is put some silver shimmer brush on top of them. And that'll kind of pop them up a little bit off the paper. But otherwise, I really like this one. I really like how this one came with the mats for underneath the pictures. I really like matting my pictures. So on this particular layout, I might actually bring in some black cardstock, and when I put my pictures in, go ahead and put down black cardstock as my mat, and then with my pictures on the outside, I think that'll really help them pop out a little bit. This one has some nice journaling spots. So I hope you liked this month. This was November. Unfortunately, you can't get this one anymore, but I did want to show it to you just so you could see how quickly you're able to do 4 layouts. This was 4 layouts, and the actual recording time is about 35 minutes, which that is really fast for that many layouts. This really makes crafting a lot of fun, and it also gives me ideas for paper that I have that I can use these same layout designs but with different paper. Like you could do this for a birthday and have a big happy birthday here, and then use birthday papers for everything. So you can really use the same layout for other ideas. So I hope you all have a great day, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and bye.